Hey guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm unboxing two orders that just came in the mail at the same time. UPS guy dropped off two really awesome packages. One is my order from the Happy Planner Back to School sale from the release, and the other one is my monthly Archer and Olive order. So if you would like to see what I got in each box, keep watching. All right, let's do Archer and Olive first because this box is bigger and I'd like to get it off my desk. So let's check it out. I ordered three. I'm going to just pull this down. I ordered three notebooks and they look so cool. So I'm going to show them to you. So this one's a Neapolitan notebook, which means it has black paper, white paper, and craft paper in it, which is a cool idea. I don't have one like this yet, so I'm really excited to see this one. So this is the Night Sky Neapolitan notebook. It's an A5, and it's got like the linen cover, and it's dark blue. Sometimes I think my colors are different than what I like. If I go to edit my videos, I think my colors are a little bit different. But look at this. How cool is this? I love it. I don't know what I'm going to use it for yet, but I am going to use it. Ooh, look at the dark blue. And so it goes, you know, we've got the white. They're all dot grid. We got the white and the craft paper and then the black. It would be neat to like section this off into different things and use it for like a bunch of stuff together, a bunch of different categories. So I'm going to think about that one. Okay, next up we have, this one. Okay, so this is a watercolor notebook. And I don't have one of these yet, and that's why I ordered it. I was like, let me try it. Not that I'm I can't paint with watercolor. I've tried. I actually took a class on it back in the day. And I'm not good, but maybe it's something I want to get into. Or I can take the pages out of this and put it like in my planner or in my bullet journal if I kind of do like a watercolor wash or something. So look how pretty this is, first off. I just love the pattern. I love the blue here. And it is dot grid watercolor paper, which is just really cool. Okay, so it's a little creamier looking than, you know, the regular paper, but it's definitely thick. We've got the big gold coil here. Just super nice. The paper feels good. It smells good. It always smells good. So I can't wait to just try it out. I do have some watercolors I can try on here and just try, just be creative. And I may or may not be showing you on my channel. It might be something I do on my own. I don't know yet, but I think this is really cute and I'm excited to have this. So let's see what the last one is. Okay, so this is a B5 dot grid notebook, and it is a Blackout notebook. I don't have any B5 notebooks yet. I don't think that I do, and I definitely don't have a B5 Blackout notebook. I only have one other Blackout notebook. So let's check this one out. Ooh, look at that. It's black, and we've got the shooting star in silver. And look at this. Look at the silver on the edges there. It's so pretty. Let's check it out. I mean, you know what the pages are going to look like, but still, I need to see it. I want to see it. There's something about these Blackout notebooks that just does it for me. Like, I am just in love with them because look at my nails on it. Like, I love using the bright colors on here. And I have to figure out what I'm going to use this for. I have a lot of notebooks now, and I want to use something, like I want to use each one for a different purpose, and I'm trying to think of things. I have a whole lot of ideas. So here we have the bookmark, and we've got the the little charm in silver, and it's black. So everything's black. It feels like just mysterious, right? I feel like it feels mysterious and dark and stormy. So yeah, I don't know what I'm going to use this for yet. Okay. So let's unbox the Happy Planner order now. So again, this is my order from the back to school release. I did receive a lot of products from the Happy Planner that were sent to me for free, but these I bought, and yeah, like, because I did get a lot of cool stuff, but I didn't get everything I wanted from the release, so that's why I bought some stuff. So it's all stickers, you guys, I think. It's all stickers. So let's pull this aside and check these out. I'll just put it on my lap. Okay. So first up, we have Fresh Start. This is a teacher sticker book. I ordered another one of these pastel tie-dye sticker packs. I do have one already, but I thought if I do a spread with those, I may want doubles of that. Or I might do it for like a patron or something. So I thought I should have another one of those. Next up, we have Good Vibes, which is a student one. And then we have Seasonal Type. I already have that one. Yes, I bought a second. And I bought a second one of another one too. And you guys probably know which one. I bought a second Out for Adventure. And then I have two more things here. I have Rock This. And then I have Teacher Florals, like extra little sticker pack. I don't love these packs only because I sometimes forget to use them. It's sort of like those, like the accessory books or the tiny sticker packs and stuff. Sometimes I just forget to use them, but I'm going to find a way to store these so that I can just kind of grab them when I want them. And these were like really cute, and it gave me some extra florals that weren't like in the book, and some that were, I think, that just gave me more of that, you know. So that is it. I got 5 sticker books and 2 little packs. And I think I'm going to do a video. I don't think I'll do it here, but I think I'm going to do a video of the Fresh Start, Good Vibes, and Rock This flip through. And I'm going to film that now. So maybe while you're watching this, it's up already. I don't know. It might not be. But yeah, I thought you might want to see my reaction to this, but I'm going to do that in a separate video so that you guys could just see an unboxing now. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you guys got what you wanted from the new release from the Happy Planner. And as always, my affiliate links are in the description box. If you make an Archer and Olive purchase, you can get 10% off your order with the code PWB10. And yeah, and so don't forget also, Sunday, May 2nd, I don't know when I'm posting this. It's probably going to be tomorrow for you. The release of the new Plant a Happy Life, Be Happy box is coming out Sunday, and you can use code PLANT15 for 15% off your entire order. So if you missed a couple of sticker books and you'd like to go back and get some more of the back to school release, you can do that at the same time as you order the Be Happy box if you're interested in that one. It's really, really cute, guys. Okay, so that's it from me. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Really, have a fantastic day. Like, go out there and just like, I don't know what I'm trying to say. Go out there and just like live your life today in the best way possible, okay? Just do it. All right, talk to you later. Bye.